Academy here today. We have this My Little Pony Sugar Cube Cash Register. Whoa! And I also have these 3 humongous colorful Easter eggs. But I can't open them. First I need to scan them with this My Little Pony Cash Register. Let's open this. Okay. Oh! So we have these! Yay! Whoa! Look, this is the Britannic credit card. See all this? This looks so cool! It has Rarity, Fluttershy, Pinkie Pie. This is mostly Pinkie Pies though. This is Applejack. Ooh, Rainbow Dash and Twilight Sparkle. Ooh, there's some numbers. My Little Pony. See? I like the colors, just like the design here. Woo! We also have pretend money. Whoa! Like at the back here on every one, like here too. It has like a different pony. Cool! We could use this. Pretend money. Yes! Ah, so many much. We have $1 that is Rainbow Dash, $5 that is Pinkie Pie, ooh, $10 Twilight Sparkle, and $20 Princess Celestia. Yay! Let's start doing this. This is LCD display. This is where the numbers will come up. Here's some of the numbers, the buttons. Yes, here's the minus and add. This is gonna be reset button. This is the cutie mark button. Here's 0. 0!
Pinkie Pie, declare that these treats are fit for a king, or a queen, or a princess.
It's talking, but it's Pinkie Pie's voice. Here's the scanner. See? Ooh, $4. It already came up. We can hold here. Yeah. Look here. This is the cash register drawer. Yay! Whoa! So we can put the money in here. Let's put the money in.
Here, Chit Chat, try this candy.
It's talking right now. Chit Chat candy. Maybe this way. Yeah, this way will work. Also this. Yay! So I opened it like at the back. See? You can just push right here. And then I'll start opening. That's super cool. Let's start scanning the Easter eggs with the scanner. Here we go. Big one right here. Let's scan this one. $2. Ooh, green one. 7. Whoa. Next one. $11 in total. Cool. Let's get our credit card and swipe it. Ooh. Yay! We did it. Now we can start opening them. Here we go! Let's start with a little one. Green! Woo! Sound! I can hear it! Let's open it! Whoa! There's a lot in here! How much are in here anyway? Whoa! We have 4! Let's open this one. I think this one looks so cute. This is from Ever After. Dragon. I like dragons. Especially this one. It's super cute. I can see it. Yay! It's blue and pink wings. See? Wobbly! Fly! The dragon can fly! Next, Shopkins! There's 2 in here. This is season 6. This looks like a jar. Here we go. Ooh. Yes. Oh. Come out. Cool. It has pink lips, a yellow swirl on its head. It's green. This is Herb L tea bag. Yo, cool. Yes. Let's open the next one. Oh, this is kind of the same actually. This is Shelly egg. It's an egg. Next we have MyMoji. Oh. This is Harley Quinn, and she's sticking out her tongue. And this last one. A Shopkins Happy Places. There's also a limited edition in here. Oh, maybe you can get it. That would have been super lucky. Here's a yellow platform for it. Oh yeah. Let's just open this. Yay. There's like 3 in here. Whoop. Looks like a yellow log. This is yellow wood block. Next one. Oh! This is pink wood holder. Let's open this. Whoa! Whoa. This is broom and pan. Now I want to do the blue egg. This is like medium size. Ooh. Let's open it. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, what is this? Cool. This is a Tsum Tsum. This is Maury. It's a plushie. Stuffed animal. She looks so cute. And she's a cat. Her pink bow. She has 2 bows, see? Yay! Thank you, it's playtime for giving this for me. The biggest one, the pink one. I'm doing smallest to biggest. Yes! Whoa, there's no sound. Maybe because it's so many stuff. Oh man, this is super big. Oh! Just surprised me. Oh, this is Shopkins. Lights and Sounds Lippy Lips. Yay! And also, thank you, it's playtime. It's a kids channel and don't forget to subscribe them. Let's get her out here. That was easy. Let's see where she lights up. Maybe her hands. Oh, not this one. Maybe the other one. Oh, she can't see it. Oops. Where does she like? Whoa! Whoa! Blush. Lippy lip. Here's it. Yay! All the stuff is with me now. 2 stuffies. These are amazing egg surprises! Yay! Yeah! Yeah! This is really cute and the designs are amazing! See it? Has cool sounds too! This was so cute. It's just really fun to open surprises. Yay! Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and watch for more videos. And don't forget to click the subscribe button down below. Yay!